What's up, guys? It's Mike with All American down in Savannah, and today we are doing an estimate on a big commercial property. Let's check it out. So we have been asked to give an estimate on this building. It's a Marriott Courtyard in Savannah. It has got a bunch of awnings and a bunch of windows. The windows have got a tremendous amount of hard water stain on them. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to pick that up or not, but that is going to be an issue because they want not only the building cleaned, but they also want the windows cleaned on all of these. I think the bulk of what their concern is mildew that's built up on every single window on the property. This building has not been cleaned properly in a very long time. Loud diesel, sorry. But as you can see, got a lot of years of age and grossness all over these. These windows would probably actually clean up pretty well just with pressure cleaning, and I might propose that as well, just because we don't have a lot of room here for lifts or anything else. We do have water-fed poles that could reach, but again, we are somewhat limited. But you can see the size and scope of this. This is a big one. Lots of windows. Lots of water staining. All of this would have to be done pretty much by hand, every single inch. You got some rust stains. You do have some rust stains. All of the awnings would need to be done. A soft wash solution will clean all of this up very quickly and nicely. Obviously, we'd have to be very cautious of their greenery, but the awnings also need to be cleaned. I will break this down and we will do an estimate on all of the pavers, all of the concrete, the entire building, including the windows. But as you can see, again, pretty gross and definitely in need. So you can see this is a pretty large project. And it's pretty dirty. With all of these trees in the way, it will limit access with a lift. But very doable. There are a lot of surfaces that they probably haven't even thought about getting cleaned, that we will include in the estimate, just because you can see the green mold. And while I'm taking this video, I'm actually snapping pictures as well to include with the estimate. And again, here are some of those green windows covered in mildew. So on a job like this, I'm going to give them an estimate for pressure cleaning the entire building, and also, because they requested, an estimate for cleaning the windows. I'm going to get a count on all of the windows, how many panes there are. We will do this with a water-fed pole or multiple water-fed poles. But I do think that actually just pressure cleaning will get rid of most of what they want. So I'm going to talk to the property manager, the facility guy, and see what their major concern is. Is it the mildew, the green, which I'm thinking it is, because if you're staying at a hotel and you're looking out at beautiful Savannah, you are not going to want to see that. Again, limited access to this side of the building. And while it's not terribly bad, there's still a bunch of black and green algae and mildew all over. They also have some rust stains. Get a quick picture of that. And again, here are the hard water stains. This is a really good representation of what a lot of those windows have. And that is not fun or easy to get off of. In fact, I would avoid committing to getting rid of that. On the back side of the building, we have a lot of the same tree coverage, which limits access, which again is a logistical issue, but something that we can work around. Pretty nasty. But definitely something that needs to be done and something that we would love to do. I do have a little courtyard here. And here we have the courtyard, and every single one of these balconies has got black algae on it and will need to be cleaned, as will the pavers. Everything will be surface cleaned. You've got stairs coming up that are pretty nasty. Obviously, we will put different line items in for everything. Got a nice little pool area. Every inch of this place is in need of cleaning. This is going to be a large ticket, and I am sure they are not going to be prepared for it, but we will give them their quote. We received a quote request today. I went down, talked to the general manager, I talked to the ops manager, have a pretty good understanding of exactly what it is they need. I'm going to get them their estimate on the same day, and it's going to be very thorough. It's going to include pictures. It's going to have everything that they need to make an informed decision. Obviously, on jobs like this, they do get multiple quotes, but I have a pretty good feeling about this. I don't think there's too many companies in Savannah that are capable of doing a project like that, so that gives me a little bit more latitude on how I'm going to price it. So, wish me luck. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell so you get informed when we drop a new video. Hopefully this helps, and as always, we appreciate you guys. Have a great one.